In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Google AI Studio API key. To begin, open your browser and search for Google AI Studio. In the search results, click on the official Google AI Studio page to open the platform. This will take you into the workspace where you can manage tools, prompts, and API access. Once you're inside Google AI Studio, look for the key icon in the interface and click on it. This is the section where API keys are managed. If you're new to the platform, this area is important because it's where you create the key that allows your apps or tools to connect with Google AI Studio. Next, click on Create API Key. You'll then be asked to enter a name for your new key. Choose something clear and recognizable so it's easier to identify later, especially if you plan to create more than one key for different projects or environments. After naming the key, choose an imported project from the available options. This connects the API key to the correct project, so make sure you select the one you want to use. Keeping your key organized under the right project can help avoid confusion later on. Once that's done, click Create Key. Google AI Studio will generate the key for you, and you'll then be able to see the API key details on screen. At this point, the key has been created successfully. To get the actual key value, click the Copy Key icon. This copies the API key so you can paste it into your application, script, or integration. As a helpful note, once the key is generated, it is automatically bound and activated for prompts run inside that specific AI Studio account workspace. Be sure to store your API key somewhere secure and avoid sharing it publicly. And that's how to get your Google AI Studio API key